In this example, we've got a whole bunch of employees. We've got their performance ratings and there's decimal numbers here. We want to categorize it based on this table. So 0 to 2.5 is unsatisfactory, 2.5 to 5 inconsistent, etc. The way we do it is we use a VLOOKUP function. There we go, we find VLOOKUP. The lookup value, we're going to say in this case, please look up that rating. We say that rating because the table array, we're going to highlight here and we're telling it to look in here. We're going to put dollar signs on. The column index number, we gave it 2 columns in the table, therefore I'm going to ask for column 2. And in this case, I need the range lookup to say true. So what I want Excel to do is to work through here until it finds a approximate match and give me the relevant description. When I say OK, and I'll copy it down, you'll see it goes. So for example, a 5 is shown as effective, 2.3 which fits in here is unsatisfactory.